One of the important things to remember when designing your website is that it will be viewed on screens that may be much bigger or smaller than your own. In particular, you need to consider your page width, alignment, and background. On larger screens, these different elements of your design quickly become more noticeable. The width of your page is measured across the main body of your website. The alignment of your page indicates where in the browser your content is anchored. To the left, to the right, or in the center of the browser. The background is any color or image that displays behind or around the main body of your page. Adjusting these settings is simple. Just start by clicking Design under the Edit Site tab. Click Edit Current Template, then click Edit Border. At the top left, you'll see where you can adjust both your alignment and page width. We strongly recommend center alignment. There are 3 options for width, however we also recommend using 760 pixels. 600 is quite narrow for most browsers these days, and full stretches your site to the full width of the browser being used to view it. This can throw some elements out of alignment and also make your text harder to read as it's stretched across the screen. The border is a line around the outside edge of your page area, and you can choose its width and color in these 2 places. The margin is the space around your border and is like a buffer around your web page. If you have a margin set above 0 pixels, the background shows around the edges of your site. Let's make some changes to the border and margin just so you can see how it works. And here they are. By default, the background is typically a solid page color, but if you'd prefer to use an image instead, you can upload it here. Keep in mind that the image will repeat across the area, so consider using an image that's really large or one that looks seamless when put side by side. Remember that as you save your changes, they apply to your site and are visible to your visitors. And don't forget that you can always start over with a fresh template.